This is a video on how to get your ring over your knuckle. If you want to put the ring on or remove the ring.
So you put the string in.
The string on.
So the string is like this.
So you feed the string through.
And then
you go under on the inside, under once again, and under once again. Would you mind trying to hold your hands consistent?
Okay. And then this.
And then once it's established, you use
grab
the other end and you unwind what you've just wound up, as you can see, and it pushes the ring back towards.
And just about there.
Then
You
remove.
try.
Oh, it's so. If you need need more, you do it again. Couple more winds. Get the
This
piece
is
out,
angle.
and then start to unwind it.
Oh, yeah. It's just okay. Let's try again. Wind up. And this should be done. Okay, and we push and wind up, and voila, should be in.
Hold it in the same place. Now try and push it in. Try not to move your
Voila.
hands. Okay, she's got it in. There you go. Thank you.